A little bit now here at the Launchpad stage and move to discussing innovation and diversity in cybersecurity, a panel with FIU. Please welcome Laura Bate, Policy Analyst at New America. Brian Fonseca, the Director of the Jack D. Gordon Institute for Public Policy at FIU. And Saif Ishoof, the Vice President for Engagement at FIU. It's going to be a great panel. Hope you all stick around.
Good afternoon.
Testing.
Yeah, we're on. Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're really excited to start this conversation with three renowned experts on cybersecurity. As mentioned, my name is Saif Ishoof, and I serve as the Vice President of Engagement at Florida International University. And we've got our pavilion right over there. Go Panthers. We're really excited because today there couldn't be a better time to be talking about a couple of different issues all at once, which is really this question mark around innovation and diversity when we think about our technology economy. And then the other element, which is thinking about this massive space, which is cybersecurity, and then the ultimate dimension, which is that how is it that we're being thoughtful about building a talent pipeline and workforce? And so we've got 30 minutes and we've got three exceptional panelists. And really what we're talking about is the melting together of all three of these worlds. Our panelists are all very busy keeping us safe in and around cybersecurity. So I tried to make a Westworld related joke with them that actually fell flat. So for those of you that are Westworld fans, you will know that these panelists are folks that are busier keeping us safe than thinking about a great HBO show. So with us today, I'm going to go ahead and give some brief introductions of who we have on our panel, so that way we can delve really deep into the information and the perspectives that they have. And so first off, we have with us our good friend, Laura Bate. Laura Bate is a Senior Policy Associate working on the Cybersecurity Initiative for the New America Foundation. Laura is somebody who works at the nexus of cybersecurity, building education and workforce, and educational pathways, and is a graduate of Georgetown's Master's in National Security Studies. We also are very fortunate that Laura has done tremendous work in developing a cybersecurity fellows program and helps to support the Humans of Cybersecurity project. Next up on deck, we have my friend and colleague from FIU, Brian Fonseca, who proudly serves as our director of the Jack D. Gordon Institute, which focuses on public policy and public affairs. Brian serves as the Institute's technical expert on national security and foreign policy. And for those of you who don't know, Brian is a Marine and somebody who has proudly helped to serve to protect our country, both in the armed services as well as working in the alphabet soup of military agencies, some of them, and intelligence agencies that we can't say here. But let's give him a round of applause for his service in that regard. Kind of makes me feel like we're in Homeland, Brian. So finally, we have another individual who we're so proud of, which is our friend Ed Cabrera, who serves as the Chief Cybersecurity Officer of the global company Trend Micro. Ed is responsible for analyzing emerging cyber threats to develop initiative and resilient enterprise risk management strategies for Fortune 500 companies. And similarly to the service of Brian, we are so proud that Ed served our country as the former Chief Information Security Officer of the U.S. Secret Service with experience leading information security, cyber investigative, and protective programs in support of the Secret Service integrated mission. Let's give him a round of applause as well for that. So I think it's clear that our panel comes with a depth of perspective across this wide range of industry, academy, as well as intelligence agency, and also at the national think tank level. And so, Ed, I want to go ahead and start off with you, because Emerge Americas is this convening of thinkers, doers, innovators, creators from all around the Americas. And this panel is really talking about the future of talent pipelines in cybersecurity.